Hi, welcome to this channel. Here's another question on the sound wave. The velocity of sound in air at the sea level is given to be 340 meters per second, while that of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. How far to the nearest meter from the center of a thunderstorm? Thunderstorm is an observer who hears a thunder 2 seconds afterward, after a lightning flash. So this is a question before us, and remember the triune components are velocity, is also the distance, and then we also have time given. So let's solve quickly now. The sound and the light are two different components here. So we have component 1 to be sound, component 2 to be light. Are we together? So basically this question will be centered on the sound. Are we here? So the velocity, let's begin now. Let's pick our data, our parameters. The velocity of sound. So V of sound is given to be 340 meters per second. So we represent that as V of S. Are we here? Is equal to 340 meters per second. Then what again is given? Velocity. Are we here? Velocity of light in air is 300,000 kilometers per second. So write that. We might not need it, but we'll still go ahead to write it. V of L is equal to 300,000 kilometers per second. Are we here? Then what again is given? If you observe from this question, it reads how far. How far is talking about distance, which is wavelength in other term. So our distance here is given to be unknown. Okay, then what again is given? The time is given, the time to hear the sound of the thunder. So our T is 2 seconds. Are we here? T is 2 seconds. So solving this using a regular formula, the very known formula that says that V is equal to distance over time. Okay, distance over time. Let's make distance the subject of the formula once and for all. By cross multiplying, you have D is equal to VT. Are we here? So we can now substitute that into this. D is equal to VT. And our D is equal to V is 340 multiplied by 2 seconds. So that our D is equal to 680 meters. Are we together? If you observe, you see that we didn't make use of V of L, which is 300,000 kilometers per second. Why? Because the question here concerns the sound. The observer hears a thunder. So it has to do with the sound, not the lightning flash itself. Are we here? So the area of concentration is the thunder, which is why at this point we did not center or use VL. Are we here? Because it's also constant. So thank you. Join us for the next question. Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped. Stay liquid.